Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a really fun video for you guys today. I have my mom in the kitchen with me today, and we have some exciting Indian AIP recipes coming your way in the next few videos. Today we're going to be starting with which dish?
It's a potatoes and cauliflower, but instead of potatoes we are using sweet potatoes for AIP diet.
So the Indian name is aloo gobi, and Ma has been doing a ton of research to make sure that the recipe is modified for those of you that are going through the AIP diet, and this is going to be really delicious, guys. I'm going to show you all of the ingredients and tell you exactly what we're putting into it before we go ahead and start making it. And those of you that are going through the AIP diet, you'll be able to have like a really satisfying, tasty Indian meal, and you won't feel deprived. So we're gonna get into it. Before we do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can find out exactly when I post my next video.
Okay, so here's what you'll need. White sweet potato, cauliflower, extra virgin olive oil, cinnamon, salt, turmeric, white onion, garlic, ginger, and cilantro. If you have cloves, you can add those as well.
First we are putting about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there. Okay, now we're gonna put ginger and garlic in there.
Okay, so how much garlic and ginger is in there?
It's about, if you have a garlic ginger paste, you can put 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Or you put 1 inch of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic, and then stir it. Okay. And put the onions.
How many onions are you adding?
About, I would say 1 cupful of onion, chopped onions. We're just gonna saute the onions. Like, don't make too brown. Let it be. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon salt and about half a teaspoon of
Turmeric. We call it haldi.
Haldi and cinnamon.
How much cinnamon?
1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon is enough. Okay. But because it's AIP diet, otherwise you put garam masala in there. In here you don't put garam masala. You have to put, and you can even put if you have cloves, you can ground cloves also. You can put. Since I don't have, so I didn't use them. And so let it saute. Saute for 5 minutes on high heat. Now I'll be adding the sweet potatoes, which are about, I would say, 2 cups of sweet potatoes. And stir it, mix the whole masala. And after that you can add cauliflower in there.
So Ma was saying that normally when you cook aloo gobi, like with regular potatoes, you're supposed to add regular potatoes first and then add the cauliflower afterwards because the potatoes take longer to cook. But white sweet potatoes, or sweet potatoes in general, are a little bit faster than regular potatoes, so you want to add them in at the same time.
And I'll give a little bit of water in there, so get some moisture.
So that was about 1/3 cup of water.
Yeah.
And you're using 1 big sweet potato, and then how much cauliflower?
About 1 flower.
One cauliflower.
Yeah.
And how long are you going to leave it there for?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
And so you just let it cook on high heat?
Yeah, you can go medium high.
So we're turning the heat down a little bit to medium and just let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay.
So it's been about 5 minutes. I just want to check in between.
So you just want to mix it around like every, what, few minutes?
Now and then, yeah. So it's still not done yet. So cover it again. Okay, now it's done. Put it on low heat and sprinkle some coriander in the end, and then mix it. And some coriander should mix in there, and then some you can put in the end on the.
You serve it on top?
Serve it on the serving, yeah.
Okay.
And in the bowl. Okay. If you think the salt, you need more salt, you can still add more salt in there in the end. And you can even check it. It's ready now. And you can eat with the roti. We're gonna make roti also with the cassava flour, because AIP recipe need cassava flour, not whole wheat flour. So we did put half of the coriander in the sabzi before, and now we're gonna put for garnish on top of it. The cauliflower is ready to eat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a really fun video. I have my mom in the kitchen with me here today. You can say hi to everyone.
Yeah, hi. Hello fellows, how are you? I didn't know.
Hello fellows.
Oh my god.